Welcome. Today I've got this Ferrule kit. It's made by Sumline. Got it off of Amazon. It was I believe about $30 or less. It arrived under 3 days, delivery and all. This is for crimping ferrules on the end of cables, so you don't have to, like put a stranded wire inside of a breaker. It makes it like one solid piece. I'll open it up now and show you. I mean, it seems very well packaged. Supposed to have the crimpers included, as well as a bunch of little ferrule connectors as well. So let's see if it does. And a little carrying case. Okay, not bad at all. So these are the little ferrules, the little ends, little terminals basically, that go on the ends of cables. And it's supposed to have up to 8 gauge. Okay, so the largest size is 8 gauge, and the smallest size is 24 gauge, or 8 millimeters, all the way up to 20 millimeters. And these are all round style. This only has one style. Doesn't have different shapes. Has been that no, it is still life-saving. And again, this is for women at average risk. If you're at high risk, you're doing something different, and this does not replace a conversation with your doctor. You need to know your risk factors, because this may not apply to you. Pretty nice. Now the NBA playoffs at Philadelphia 76ers. Removable die. Don't think so. So let's go get a cable and try it out.
But no, it's
got Tiger Woods on the Today Show.
It was good. The fact that we had so many junior golf tournaments, as you know, during the summer, that we were able to play.
Okay, so take the PV wire. I always want to use THNN or THN wire for breakers. Never use stranded welding wire for breakers or solar applications in breaker applications. Is not safe.
What the club is actually doing, through the golf ball, how good it is, right? How
those wires are not meant for that. The wires themselves are too thin, and you can't necessarily get like a good tight fitting in those breaker little connectors, these clamp down connections. That's why it's best to use ferrules. But still, it's best to use THNN wire. Just take your solar wire, get your right length, cut it, strip it, so I'm going to need about 3 or 4 feet to go from this breaker here to this charge controller here. Okay, so I've got my piece of cable cut. It's actually a little bit long here, but you know, better longer than too short. And I've got a pair of coax cutters here, and these actually work pretty good for stripping PV wire. So just put it in the end you're gonna strip it, and the jaws like this, twist it around. You have to turn it around several times. And then, voila. These actually work. These are probably the best working strippers I've ever found for stripping PV wires ever. I mean, look at that. It's a perfect strip every time. Not one missing thread. Super easy, right? So let's go get our little ferrule piece. Stick it on there like that. You're gonna slide it over. I don't think I stripped off enough. So maybe strip off some more. And there you go. That's what it should look like before you crimp it on. So then you're gonna take the ferrule crimpers, slide it on over there like that, and then just squeeze it on. Whoop. Super easy. There you are. And you have a nicely, perfectly crimped on connector. Doesn't come off, doesn't slide off. Nothing. Probably would still be a good idea to put some heat shrink over that. But this end just goes right in the breaker. Right on the top of the breaker. Just like that. Well, assuming you got enough room in there for it. So you just stick it in there like that, and you tighten it down. And that is so much easier than having to fight with stranded wire. You know, having to constantly wiggle it and pull on it and then retighten the clamp and all that. Because this is already just, it's already just one piece. So there you go. So that is my review of the Sumline Ferrule crimping tool kit. It actually works very well. That was just a one-handed crimp for the largest socket size ferrule crimp. Buy it. Works really well. This is Mason Brown, Complex Systems Modeling Group. If you like this video today, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. You may not see too many videos posted that often, but you know, if you hit the notification bell, then you'll stay informed and up to date on when I do post new videos. So I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.